Good morning, guys. Good morning, online and offline. Online, guys, my voice is clear. Is it clear? మనోజ్ చెప్పాను నేను ఆల్రెడీ. Okay. Okay, guys. How many people was joined today? First session. Yeah, this is the first session. Okay. All right. Yeah, guys. Yesterday, just we discussed few concepts that is only for demo, not a actual session. Not a actual session. Yesterday we discussed what is the testing, and after that we discuss content of the testing. After that we discuss content of the testing, and after that what is the testing, why testing, what is use of the testing, we discuss. The next one, how to do the testing in real time, I was explained yesterday. That one we discuss yesterday. If you want to do the testing, we are able to test always staging URL. That is we are discuss, and after that we discuss testing approach. What is the testing approach? If you want to do the testing, how you guys are able to start the testing, the testing approach will explain. The testing approach will explain. This is we discuss yesterday. This is we discussed yesterday. What is the testing? Testing is two types, verification and validation. The complete testing depends on these two things. Verification is nothing but once you guys are launched the application, The expected element is there or not, that is verification. Validation, once you guys are launch the application, the expected element is properly working or not, we need to validate. That is we call validation. What is use of the testing? Without testing, we are unable to release the application to the customer. Why? Because if you want to release the application to customer, once complete the testing, then we are able to release the application to customer. Why testing in real time? Why testing in real time? The tester always provide the quality product to the customer. The tester always provide the quality product to the customer. Without testing, we are unable to release the application to the customer. Once you guys are complete the testing, then we are able to release the application to customer. Is it clear? Okay. Yeah. Actually, this is we discussed yesterday. Okay. And who are joined today's session, guys? And testing, coming to the testing concepts, I am able to discuss. These are all concepts. Okay. This is the content, guys. The manual testing, after completion of the manual testing, core Java, and after that Selenium. And once complete the Selenium, I need to discuss 3 frameworks: TestNG framework, and data-driven framework, and Cucumber framework. And once complete, this is completely functional testing front end. Okay, this is completely front end. We are able to do the testing. And coming to the back end, API testing. The API testing, I am able to discuss manual and automation both. Once complete the manual and automation API testing, I am able to discuss Jira. See, in this Jira, in real time, how you guys are able to use in real time, all possible ways, I will explain. By using Jira in real time as a tester, what you are able to do by using Jira, everything I will explain. And how to write the test cases by using Scale. And after that, I will discuss GitLab, and after that Jenkins and database testing. And finally, I will once complete the manual testing, I will discuss resume preparation. Okay. And once complete the resume preparation, I will explain how to cover the educational gap. You people having, some people having 2014 passed out, 13 passed out, 12, okay, fine. Up to 12, okay, fine. Okay. See how you guys are able to cover. These are all gaps I will explain once complete the manual testing. Is it clear or not? Yeah. This is, I am able to discuss, guys. This complete duration 3 months, 20 days. This complete duration 3 months, 20 days. Okay. If I want to complete the testing, what I was promised here, it will be take 3 months, 20 days, completely normal track. Completely normal track. Okay. This is we discussed yesterday. Okay. Yeah. The next one, you guys are observe here. In real time, we are able to use some terminology. The first one is the defect. The second one is the bug. Third one is the error, failure. The testing people, every day, the people are using these two terminologies. These two terminologies, defect and bug. As a tester, if you want to learn anything, we need the related information from scratch. Why? Because in real time, as experienced people, in real time, we don't know what type of questions they will ask. That the time, if you guys are getting any question, you are ready to answer that question. You're ready to answer that question. Okay. You don't worry about that one, guys. I will teach you from scratch everything. If the guys are asking any question, you are able to answer. Finally, I will provide the interview questions also. Finally, I will provide the interview questions also. That is completely real time. Experts, they was prepared that questions. Not institution level. That is okay. And my organization, my previous organization people are prepared. Okay. I was saved that questions. Okay. See guys, once complete the manual testing, I will provide that manual testing related interview questions. Okay, done. The next one, what is the defect? Already I discussed yesterday. What is the defect? What is the defect, guys? Yesterday I discussed. Absolutely. Yeah, yesterday I discussed. Before doing the testing, what we call expected result. After completion of the testing, system provides some response. What we call actual. See, expected result, what we are expecting, and actual result, system response, both are same. The test case is pass. And we are expecting something, system response is different. The test case is fail. That is we call defect. Okay. Defect is nothing but the difference between expected result and actual result. The difference between expected result and actual result. That is we call defect. Is it clear or not? You don't write the running notes, guys. I will tell you notes. Okay. Everything I will tell you. Okay. I have a notes, printed notes also is there. And from scratch, everything I will provide the notes. And day wise, I will provide the notes also. See, day wise, I will provide concept 1, concept 2, concept 3. Okay. Finally, I will provide printed notes, typed notes. Okay. Yeah, this one. I will provide complete Everything is available in these notes from scratch with example, real-time example. Okay, dev URL, what I was discussed, staging URL, everything is available. Okay, you don't worry, you no need to write when I discuss the session, the time you don't write the notes. If you guys are able to write the notes, I will tell you once complete the concept. Okay, while writing the note in this session, but when I'm saying that time you people are able to write the notes, you guys are unable to understand the concept. First of all, you guys are listen concept. If you need a notes, I will tell you. Finally, I will provide the complete detailed notes. Is it clear? Okay, done. Defect is nothing but the difference between the expected result and actual result is nothing but a defect. The expected result and actual result both are different. That is called a defect. Okay. The next one, bug. When you guys are able to call bug, once I got the defect, listen carefully. Once I got the defect, this defect I need to inform to the developer. Once I inform to the developer, he did not accept blindly. He will verify. Anil found one defect, that is really defect or not, he will cross check. That is really defect, the developer accept your defect. The developer accept your defect. Once the developer accept your defect, after that we call a bug. I will repeat again. Once we got the defect, the expected result and actual result both are different. Once we got the defect, we need to inform to the developer through Jira. Once you guys are informed to the developer through Jira, the developer, he did not accept blindly. He will verify that is really defect or not. That is really defect. The developer accept your defect. The developer accept your defect. Once the developer accept your defect, after that we call bug. Before accepting what we call defect. After accept the defect, what we call bug. Mostly this question you people are able to get. What is the difference between the defect and the bug? Only small difference, guys. Before accept, after accept. Okay. This is the difference between the expected result and actual result. This is once we got the defect, we need to inform to the developer. The developer verify that is really defect or not. That is really defect. The developer accept your defect. After that we call bug. The next one, error. The next one, error. Human mistakes. Human mistakes. This terminology is done by dev side. This terminology is done by dev side. You guys are observe. Before sending the application to testing department, the developer, he will validate the application coding part. Before sending the application to testing department, the developer, he will validate the application coding part. While validating the code, the developer getting any mismatch in this code, the developer got any mismatch in this code, that is called a error. That is called a error. I will repeat one more time. Before sending the application to testing department, before sending the application to testing department, the developer validate the or verify the code. The code is properly working or not. While verify the code, the developer got any mismatch in this code, that is called a error. That is called a error. This terminology is completely done by dev side, developer side. The next one, failure. The next one, failure. Failure. See guys, the developer developed the application. Once complete the application, the developer sending to the testing department. The tester validate the application before release. The tester validate the application. This is quality or not. Once testing is completed, we need to deliver the application to the customer. Before deliver the application to the customer, the production people, they will validate complete whole application. Everything is there as per our customer expected. Then they will release the application to the customer. Yeah, listen one more time. Failure. Here, three people is there, guys. The first one, developers, tester, production. Okay. The developer developed the application. Once develop the application, the developer sending the application to testing people. The tester able to validate the application. This is quality or not. Once complete the testing, the testing people provide the application to customer. Before providing the customer, the production people, they will validate the whole application. Everything is there as per customer expected. Everything is there as per customer expected. They will release the application to the customer. 3 steps you guys are able to understand. Developer develop the application. After completion of the development, the tester testing the application. After completion of the testing, they will sending to the customer production people. The production people able to validate whole application quality or not as per customer expected. After that, the production people release the application to the customer. Is it clear or not? Everything? Yeah. Next one. Once got the application, the customer, he will validate whole application. It is quality or not. First step. It is quality or not. Second step. As per my expected, everything is there or not, he will validate. Who will validate? The customer maintains some third-party testers. The customer is not verify, guys. The customer side some third-party testers is there. They will verify the application functionality. The application is there or not as per customer expected. Everything is there, no issues. Anything is there inside of application, any mismatch is there, the customer provide the feedback to company people. The build is fail. The build is fail. You guys are able to understand? Once we release the application to customer, the customer, he will validate each and every functionality. As for my expected, this functionality is there or not, he will validate. They will validate. Everything is there. Okay, fine, no issues. We will move to the next step. And something is not working in this application, then immediately The customer provides some feedback to company people. Your build is fail. The terminology is done by customer end. Error terminology is done by dev end. Bug and defect is done by tester end. Is it clear or not? Any doubt, guys, in this? Do you have any doubt? Do you have any doubt? Defect, bug, error, failure. Is it clear? Everybody? Oh. Yeah. Who? Yes, someone is calling. Okay, all right. The next one. I will start the manual testing actual session. Okay. This is the first session, manual. Okay. Testing, first concept. SDLC. In this manual testing, first concept, SDLC. Software development life cycle. Okay. Software development life cycle. Okay. The concept will explain clearly how to develop the software. The software development life cycle will explain clearly from starting initial stage to ending stage. How to release the application to customer, how to develop the application, how to develop the application, how to release the application. Everything the software development life cycle will explain clearly. Okay? Yeah. Before discuss this concept, I am able to discuss one best example. I am able to discuss one best example. Okay. Yeah, Anjanelu, I will repeat one more time. You guys are observed here. Defect is nothing but the difference between the expected result and actual result. The bug is nothing but once we got the defect, we need to inform to the developer through Jira or any tool. Once the developer got the issue, defect, the developer, he did not accept blindly. He will verify that is really defect or not. That is really defect. The developer accept your defect. After that we call bug. Before accepting we call defect. After that we call bug. The error while validate the coding part, the dev people able to get any mismatch in this code, that is we call a error. This is the human mistakes. The failure, once application is ready, we need to release the application to customer. The customer verify the application functionality. The functionality, everything is there or not as per our expected. Everything is there as per customer expected. The customer accept the application. Anything is mismatch, the customer provide some feedback to company people. Your build is fail. That feedback is your build is fail. This is we call defect, bug, error, failure. The next concept, the first concept is the manual testing. In this manual testing, the first concept is the SDLC. The SDLC will explain clearly how to develop the software. Once you develop the software, how to release the software. The software development life cycle will explain clearly. Okay. Before discuss this SDLC, I will explain one example. I will explain one example. If you guys are able to understand that example, the software development life cycle, it is very easy. Okay. See, I am a customer. I am a customer. I need to construct the house. I need to construct the house. I have a 20 requirements is there. I have a 20 requirements is there. I am a customer. I need to construct the house. I have 20 requirements is there. This 20 requirements, my house is look like, my kitchen is look like, my bedroom is look like, my utility is look like, my balcony is look like, everything I was explained in this 20 requirement. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. And after that, these requirements I need to provide to builder or contractor. Am I correct? I need to provide the builder or contractor. The builder or contractor, they did not accept blindly. Am I correct? First of all, the builder or contractor, they will verify and he'll provide 20 requirements. Is it possible to construct the house based on this 20 requirement? He will analyze. It is possible to construct the house based on these 20 requirements. Immediately we are going to discuss about money. Am I correct? And money part is completed. Then immediately we are going to discuss about duration. Within 1 year, within 2 years, I am able to complete the house. Okay. We are able to discuss duration. Finally, we are able to provide one agreement. One agreement. Everything I need to provide in this agreement. Everything I need to provide in this agreement. Is it clear or not? In this agreement, we are able to provide one step. What is that one? You are unable to construct within the duration. You are unable to construct within the duration as per locality, as per area. You guys are able to provide every month rent. You guys are able to understand? In this agreement, they mention clearly, you are unable to complete, you are unable to construct the house within the time as per area, as per locality. You people are able to provide every month rent. For example, within 2 years, he is unable to construct the house. Next, after 2 years, every month he need to pay the money. The builder pay to money to the customer. Okay, that is our agreement. This is we call how to construct the house is explained clearly. Am I correct? Okay, same like if you want to develop any software, if you want to develop any software, we are able to use software development life cycle. We are able to use software development life cycle. There are a different pages is there. The first one is the initial phase. There are a different pages is there. The first one is the initial phase. Second one is the analysis phase. Third one is the designing phase, coding, testing, delivery, and maintenance. The software development life cycle will explain clearly how to develop the application, how to release the application to customer. Is it clear or not? Okay, clear, guys? Any doubt? Online and offline? Online guys, do you have any doubt? Please tell me. You guys are able to understand? Is it clear, online guys? Yeah. The software development life cycle will explain clearly, Mina, how to develop the software. And once you guys are develop the software, how you guys are able to release to the customer, the software development life cycle will explain clearly. Okay, see, in this software development life cycle, we have different pages is there. We have different pages is there. The first one is the initial phase or requirement phase. Okay, initial starting phase. Okay, starting phase. Okay, see guys, the first one, initial phase. What is the, listen carefully guys. Okay, what is the initial phase or requirement phase? Who will be there in this initial phase? Is it clear? What is the initial phase or requirement phase? Who will be there in this initial phase? Okay. In this initial phase, in this initial phase, 1 minute guys. Yeah, guys, in this initial phase, who will be there? Who will be there? Okay. And what is the initial phase? In this initial phase, BA is available. Business analyst is available. What kind of job of the BA? In this initial phase or requirement phase, BA is available. What kind of job of the BA? The BA gather the requirement from the customer. The BA gather the requirement from the customer. Okay. The BA go to client location. The BA will explain to client about our company. The BA able to satisfy. The BA will provide the requirement to company people. What kind of job of the BA? Business analyst. The business analyst go to client location. He will explain about our company, and the time the BA explain about our company to customer, the customer is satisfying. The customer is satisfying. He will provide the requirement to the company people. Once got the requirements, the PA got the 100 requirements from the customer. Who is the customer? The customer is the Citibank. The customer is the Citibank. The customer, the PA go to customer location. He will explain about our company. The customer is fully satisfied. He will provide 100 requirements to company people. Is it clear or not? He will provide 100 requirements to just 100 requirement. Example, okay, 100 requirements to company people. Once got the requirements from the client, from the customer, this documents the BA he will store inside of one folder. Okay, once got the requirements from the client or customer, European people they call client, okay, Indian people they call customer. Okay, once got the requirements from the client, the PA he will store all the requirements inside of one folder. One folder. The folder name is, some people they call FRS, some people they call BRS, some people they call BDD, some people they call URS, some people they call URS, some people they call BD. Okay, some people means different company people they call different names. My company people they call URS. My company people they call URS. I am a business analyst. I got the requirements from the customer. My customer is the Citibank. I got the requirements from the customer. Once got the requirement from the customer, these 100 requirements I need to store inside of the URS document. URS document. What is the FRS? FRS is nothing but functional requirement specification. FRS is nothing but functional requirement specification. BRS, business requirement specifications. BDD, business design document. Business design document. URS, user requirement specifications. User requirement specification. PD, business document. Business document. Different company people they call different name. Is it clear or not? Okay, and once got the requirements from the customer, all the requirements I need to store inside of the URS folder. Okay, clear or not? What is the initial phase? Who will be there? What kind of job of the BA? Yeah, the BA gather the requirement from the customer. Once got the requirement from the customer, he will store inside of the one folder. That's it. You people are able to understand. That's why I was explaining clearly. The BA go to client location. He will explain about our company. Then the the customer is satisfied. The client will provide the requirement to the BA. Once got the requirements, that requirements the BA will store inside of the one folder. That folder name is the URS. See, depends on company. Different company people they call different names. That is your answer. If you guys are able to answer for any question, the interviewer able to understand properly or not, you guys are validate. If you guys are able to provide quality answer, then you are able to select. Okay, anything guys, not only this one, anything if you want to provide, you don't know much, you have some knowledge only which is having, only that you can explain. You don't need to explain extra means you don't have an idea. That one you no need to explain. Which is you have an idea, that one you can explain clearly. Okay, you people are the interview time, the people are asking any question from initial phase, you guys are able to answer. In this phase, the BA is available. The BA gather the requirements from the customer. Once got the requirements from the customer, the BA will store all the requirements inside of the folder. The folder names depends on company. Different people, they call different name. Coming to my company people, we call URS. The BA will store all the requirements inside of the URS folder. That is your answer. Is it clear or not? Is it clear? Once store the requirements inside of the URS folder, the BA will send the URS folder to next level. The BA will share this URS folder to next level. What is the next level? The next level is the analysis phase. The next level is the analysis phase. In general terminology, analysis. What is the analysis? Huh? What is the analysis? What is the testing approach? Once we got the requirements, we need to analyze. Is it clear? Okay. In this initial phase, who will be there? Business analyst. What kind of job of the BA? And once gather the requirement, he will store inside of folder. The folder name is depends on company. Different people, they call different name like URS, BRS, FRS, BDD, BD. That's it. Clear? Yeah. The next one. Once initial is completed, the URS folder, the BA sent to the next phase. The next phase is the analysis phase. The next phase is the analysis phase. In this analysis phase, who will be there? In this analysis phase, who will be there? In this analysis phase, system analyst is there. Analyst is there. System analyst is there. Okay. In requirement phase or initial phase, who will be there? BA is there. In this analysis phase, system analyst, not one person, guys. This is the team. This is the team. System analyst is there. What kind of job of the system analyst? What kind of job of the system analyst? Okay. Yeah. The system analyst team got a URS document. Got a URS document. They will open the URS folder. The system analyst, they will analyze in this folder how many requirements is there. Listen carefully. The system analyst team, they will open the URS folder. In this URS folder, how many requirements is there? Okay, this is the first step. Second step, the customer is provide 100 requirements. The customer is provide 100 requirement. We are able to develop or not. The system analyst, they will analyze. We are able to develop or not, the system analyst, they will analyze. The customer is provide 100 requirements. Next step. Within the 100 requirements, how many requirements is the low level? How many requirements is the high level? They will analyze. Out of 100 requirements, how many requirements is the low level? How many requirements is the high level? They will analyze. Is it clear or not? The next step, the customer is provide 100 requirements. For this 100 requirements, the customer is provide 40 CR. 40 CR. Within the money, we are able to develop or not, they will analyze. The customer is provide 100 requirement. The project deadline is 3 years. Within 3 years, we are able to release the whole application to customer or not, they will analyze. The customer is provide 100 requirements. If I want to develop this 100 requirement, how many human resource is required? They will analyze. Everything is fine as per our expectation. Then immediately the system analyst, he will create one folder. That is we call SRS, System Requirement Specification. System Requirement Specification. I will repeat one more time. You guys are listen, online and offline guys. Once the BA provide the URS folder to next phase, the next phase is analysis phase. In this analysis phase, who will be there? The system analyst is available. What kind of job of the system analyst? The system analyst team, they will open the URS folder. They will verify how many requirements is there. Total how many requirements is there? 100 requirements is there. That's it. And the system analyst team, they will analyze. We are able to develop. We are able to develop these 100 requirements or not, they will analyze. We are able to develop, immediately they will analyze. Out of 100 requirements, how many requirements is the low level? How many requirements is the high level? They will divide. For example, 20 is the low level and 80 is the high level. Okay? 80 is the high level. If I want to develop these requirements, the customer is provide 40 crores. Within the money, we are able to develop this application or not. The system analyst, they will analyze. We are able to develop within the money. Immediately, the system analyst team, they will analyze. The customer provide 3 years the project deadline 3 years. Within that time, we are able to release whole application or not, they will analyze. Everything is possible. Immediately the system analyst team, they will analyze. If I want to develop this 100 requirement in this project, how many human resource is required? They will analyze. Everything is fine. Everything is fine. Then immediately they will create one folder, that is we call SRS folder. Immediately they will create one folder, that is we call SRS folder. SRS is nothing but after completion of the analysis, all the requirements they will store inside of the SRS folder. Okay, clear or not? Clear? Any doubt? Guys, online and offline, do you have any doubt? Online and offline, do you have any doubt? See guys, everyday session related notes I will upload in Google Classroom. Everyday session related information I will upload in Google Classroom. You guys are able to download from Google Classroom. Okay, every day I will store in Google Classroom. Once I complete the SDLC, this document related notes, okay, I will upload in Google Classroom. You people are able to get download from Google Classroom. How you guys are able to get the Google Classroom? Once your process is completed, admin will provide the Google Classroom link. You guys are able to download by using that link all the documents. Is it clear or not? Okay. Initial phase is clear. Analysis phase is clear. Do you have any doubts? Okay, you are able to answer any question regarding initial or analysis. Okay, in this analysis phase, what type of folder we are able to use? In this analysis phase, what type of folder we are able to use? SRS. And initial phase, what type of folders we are able to use? URS and depends on company. What type of folders? URS, PRS, PDD, PD and FRS. Is it clear? Okay, all right. The next one is the designing phase. Once complete the analysis phase, the system analyst, he will store all the requirements inside of the analysis phase, SRS folder. Done now? Okay. See, the next one is the designing. What is the designing phase? Who will be there in this designing phase? Okay. What is the designing phase? And who will be there in this designing phase? Once complete the analysis phase, the people will share the SRS folder to designing phase. In this designing phase, one team is there. The team name is the Chief Architect team. Okay. The team will open the SRS folder. Total 100 requirements is there. Out of 100 requirements, how many requirements is the high level? How many requirements is the low level? they will divide. 80 is the high level, 20 is the low level. Guys, high level, the company people are not involved. The company people are not involved. Only chief architect will design. Low level, the project manager level able to involve. The delivery manager level able to involve. Is it clear or not? See, total 100 requirements is there. I am a chief architect. If I want to design the application, Citibank application, high level, only I am able to design. The project manager, delivery department, unable to involve. Okay. And coming to the 20 requirements is the low level. I am able to design. I am able to take the suggestion from the project manager and the delivery department. In this high level, I am unable to take any suggestion from project manager and delivery department. Why? Because that is high level. That is high level. Based on the customer requirement, I will design the application. Based on the customer requirement, I will design the application. What is the first requirement? The first requirement, once you guys are launch the Citibank application, it should be displayed 2 images left side corner, male and female. Okay. And middle of the application, 1 login page. And left side corner, city. This is the requirement. This is the requirement. Based on that requirement, the chief architect team, they will design the application. What is the requirement first? Once you launch the application, left side, right side, okay, 2 images, male and female images sitting on bench. That image, it should be displayed right side, left side corner. That is one requirement. Second requirement, once you guys are launch the application, Citibank login, it should be displayed in middle of the home page. Third requirement, once you guys are launch the Citibank application, city, only city, not a bank, city name, it should be logo, it should be displayed right side corner. And below logo, one tagline is there. That is the requirement. Based on that requirement, the chief architect team, they will design. Everything, the chief architect team, they will design based on the customer requirement. Once designing is completed, the chief architect team, they will send the application designing part to customer. Is it clear or not? Once designing is completed, the chief architect team, they will send the application to customer. Why? Why? The chief architect team, listen, the chief architect team, once complete the designing, the chief architect team, they will send the designing part to customer. Why? Sorry? Okay. Anything else, guys? Very good. Anything, girls? Yeah. Yes. The team, the chief architect team will explain to customer, Mr. Customer, already designing is completed. You guys are need to verify the complete designing is there or not as per your expected. Any mistakes is there or not in this designing part? Please let me know. You need to cross check everything is available or not based on your expectation. The time the customer is satisfied, the customer will provide feedback to company people. The customer will provide feedback to company people. What type of feedback? I am fully satisfied. You guys are proceed to next step. Is it clear? Is it clear or not? Okay. In real time also, the customer also human. The customer also human. Different types of customers is there. When you are providing the designing part to customer, type 2 customer, in initial phase, he forgot one requirement, that is grocery requirement. Is it clear or not? Total 101 requirements, but in initial phase, he provided to BA 100 requirements. And once got the designing part, the time the customer able to understand in initial stage, we are unable to provide the grocery requirement to BA. Immediately type 2 customer once validate the application designing part, they will inform to the chief architect team. Guys, in initial stage, we forget one requirement, that is grocery requirement. In this process mean in middle of the project, we are able to add the new requirement in designing part or not. The customer request to chief architect team. This is the customer mistake, not our mistake. The time the customer is request to chief architect team, in this time we are able to add only low level requirements. We are unable to add high level requirements. Is it clear or not? Then immediately the chief architect team, they will respond to customer, yes customer, that is low level requirement we are able to add. That is high level requirement we are unable to add. This is not possible. Maximum the customer is provide in middle of the project low level requirement. Okay, grocery is the low level requirement. The team will add the grocery as per customer requirement. The customer will explain mobile and bestseller between you need to add grocery. Mobile, bestseller between you need to add grocery. The customer will explain to the chief architect team. Then immediately the team will add the grocery button, mobile between cell, bestseller, and once add the new requirement, again they will send the designing part to customer. The time the customer, they will focus on new requirement. The new requirement is added or not. Once the new requirement added, the customer provide feedback to company people. Thank you very much. Okay, you guys are added in the middle of the project. Okay, you guys are proceed to next level. You guys are proceed to next level. Okay, is it clear or not? Shall I repeat again? Okay, yeah, I will repeat again. Designing part. Who will be there in designing part? Chief architect team is there. The chief architect team, they will open the SRS folder, and in this folder, how many requirements is there? They will divide high level and low level. Once divide the high level and low level, the high level only able to develop chief architect team level. Low level, the project manager or delivery department team able to provide some suggestion to chief architect team. That is possible. Okay. Based on this 100 requirements, the chief architect team, they will design the application. Once designing is completed, they will provide the designing part to customer. Which purpose? Verification purpose. The customer is happy with the design. He will provide the feedback to company people. They will proceed to next step. Is it clear? This is type 1 customer. Type 2 customers also humans. Okay. Type 2 customer. Some people, they forget any requirement in initial phase. We are able to add that requirement in middle of the project. It is possible. In this time, we are able to add only low level requirements, not a high level. Okay. Once add the new requirement as per customer expected, again we need to send the application designing part to customer. Is it clear or not? This is we call designing phase. Before moving to next step, the chief architect team, they will create one folder. That is we call TDD. TDD. What is the TDD? Technical design document. Technical design document. All the designing related information, they will store inside of the TDD. Okay. All the designing related information, he will store inside of the TDD. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? Any doubt? Who will be there in designing part? Chief architect. Okay. What kind of job of the chief architect team? Yes. Once got the requirements, immediately they will divide two parts. Okay. And after that, they will design the application based on the customer requirement. Okay. The chief architect team only able to design high level and low level also. Okay. And the team, the company level, the project manager level, delivery department level, able to involve in low level. That is possible. Okay. That is possible. Okay. See guys, once designing is completed, the chief architect team send the application to customer. Which purpose? Verification purpose. Which verification? Mr. Customer, already we designed the application as per your expectation. This designing is there or not? You need to cross check. Is it clear? Once everything is fine, then immediately we are able to create one folder. The folder name is TDD. TDD is nothing but technical design document. All the designing related information, they will store inside of TDD folder. Is it clear or not? Clear? Any doubt? Any doubt, guys? The next one. Okay. The next one, coding phase. In this coding phase, who will be there? Yes. Some people they call developers. Some people they call programmers. Both are same. Okay. Once got the TDD folder from the designing phase, immediately the developers conduct the meeting. Real time happened like that. Immediately once we got the project, first initial stage, once we got the project manager, they will divide the teams. They will divide the teams. Testing team is separate, dev team is separate, okay? Delivery department is separate, okay? See, once divide the teams, we are a development team, okay? We got the project. Already we are analyzed the requirements. 80 requirements is the high level, 20 requirements is the low level, okay? See, immediately we need to conduct the meeting. In this meeting, our agenda, okay? Our agenda, which language we are able to support to this application. This is project manager level. We are able to conduct. Which language we are able to support for this application. Out of 80 requirements, more than 20 requirements is secure based requirements is there. Secure based means out of 80 requirements, more than 20 requirements is secure based requirements is there. What is a secure base? Tell me one example. Security based requirement. If you guys are open your Gmail, not only in your system, any other system, the time to your registered mobile, you got one Google code or not? Huh? That is secure. That is you are not. Total 3 types of codes you are able to get. Okay. They in the system, it should be displayed one number. You need to choose that number in your mobile. You are able to log in. Is it clear or not? That is one type of secure. Once you guys are enter the username and password, you click on login button. We got one OTP to your registered mobile. You need to enter the OTP. That is confirmation. That is also secured. If I got this type of requirements out of 80 requirements, more than 20, which language we are able to use for this project? This is project manager level, they will discuss. Client level, they will discuss. Client, project manager, everyone is there. The client, he will provide 2 languages, Java or .NET. Which language you company people are able to develop? Java. Okay. The company people inform to the client, we are able to use Java. Okay. They will explain what is the benefits of the Java. If I want to use the Java backend, what is the benefits of the Java? They will explain to customer. The customer is satisfied, then we can start the coding part. Then we can start the development. The development is completed. Already the developers have developed the application, everything. After that, what is the next step? What is the next step? Yes, absolutely, testing. Before doing the testing, the dev team, they will create one folder, a CD folder. They will create one folder, that is SCD folder. Source code document. Source code document. The dev team, they will store all the code inside of the SCD folder. That folder they will store in repository. I will tell you repository, okay, in later session. Complete code they will store inside of the SCD folder. Source code document. You guys are able to understand? Is it clear or not? Who will be there in this coding phase? Okay. What kind of job of the developers? Based on the customer requirement and based on the customer expected language, the developers or programmers, they will develop the application backend. Once develop the application, that related source code, the developers, they will store inside of SCD folder. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? If you guys are unable to understand, please ask me, guys. I will tell you one more time. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Everything is clear? Everything is clear, guys? Guys, already testing openings already started. Okay. I got a calls. These are all requirements calls. Company calls. Just I upload the resume yesterday. I need to switch to another company. Try to do. These are all company calls. That's why I'm telling. We have a calls. Please be prepared. Okay. We have a good opportunities. Is there? You guys are need to practice. And you guys are need to practice each and everything. Everyday session related. If you guys are unable to understand, please reach me. Definitely I am able to answer. I am able to clarify your doubt. Is it clear or not? Any doubt? Today's session, do you have any doubt? Is it clear, everybody? If you have any doubt, please ask me, guys. Yeah, once after 10 days, it will be take 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay, 9:15 I will start the session. 9:15 I will start the session. 9:40 I will close the session. 9:15 I will start the session. This is the initial stage, starting stage. Okay, everyone unable to attend right time. So once set the process, okay, and we are able to start the session 9:15 and session will be closed 10:40. 10:40, 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 9:15 to 10:40. Is it clear? Online guys? Is it clear? Amarendra, is it clear? Yeah. Online guys and offline guys, you guys are any doubt? Okay. You guys are raise your hand or else and text in chat. Okay. Then immediately I will stop in middle of the process. I am able to answer first. And after that I will move to the next. Okay. 1 hour. Actually, if I want to take 1 hour, Amarinder, I am unable to cover within 3 months, 20 days. That is the problem. So maximum 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, 1 hour 20 minutes I am able to take, Amarinder. Okay. And 1 hour it is not possible. I am unable to take 1 hour. I am unable to complete the course within 3 months, 20 days, it is not possible. Yeah, if you want to talk anything, I will unmute the mic. You guys are able to talk. Okay? If you want to talk anything, I will unmute your mic. You guys are able to talk. I am able to respond to everyone one by one, one by one, one by one. Okay? First of all, you guys raise your hands. I will unmute your mic. You guys speak out one by one, one by one. If you want to clarify anything with me. Okay? Yeah. Please raise your hands, Mahesh and anybody. And coming to the offline guys, do you have any doubts? Today's session, you guys are able to understand or not? Clear? If you need any notes, or shall I share the notes in Google Classroom? Which is the best process? That is also I will ask you. You guys are able to understand my question. If you need a notes, I will provide in Google Classroom. That is first option. Second option, you are able to write the running notes or not. That is second option. Which option is better? I am able to store in Google Classroom. That is better. Okay. I will store. You guys are main. Everything is there, guys. Okay. In that notes, everything is there. But pin to pin, what I was discussed in the session, every point they mention clearly. See guys, what I was discussed here, initial phase, analysis phase and testing phase. Okay. See, everything is there. FRS, PRS, BD, URS, analyst, major and minor, low and high. Okay. 80 examples, with examples, everything is available. Okay. System requirement specification. Okay. High level, low level, everything is there. And we discussed TDD, technical design document. Some spelling mistakes is there, guys. You guys are covered the spelling mistakes. Okay. Some spelling mistakes. Okay. And coding phase. Okay. Up to now we completed. Okay. The notes I will provide in Google Classroom. How much we completed every day, I will store in Google Classroom, or twice I will share. Okay. Every 2 days, I will provide the notes in Google Classroom. Is it clear? Or else you are able to write the notes. Which is better? Google Classroom. That's it. Thank you. Sorry? Link. Yeah. Admin will provide the link. Google Classroom link. You guys are communicate with admin. The admin will provide. Yeah, Vishal, don't worry about that one. Once complete the manual testing, separately I will take the one session for that. How to manage the educational gap. Okay. Is it clear? Yeah. Mohan, please speak out. What is your doubt? Mohan, please unmute your mic.
Yeah, hi. So can we get any recording videos? Suppose if
you want any recording, please contact the admin. Admin will arrange. Okay.
Okay. Daily morning will be there, na class thesis.
Yes.
And morning.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, Suresh.
Yeah, hi.
Hi,
Yeah, hi,
Suresh.
Anil. Yeah, actually, currently I'm working on manual, but actually I'm looking for automation. So, is there any kind of fast track or like automation related classes? Actually, when I connect with the team, but they're not giving proper information. So that's the reason I have joined in this.
Mhm.
Actually, I'm looking for this web automation and mobile automation, APM and Selenium.
Okay. Actually, I am able to discuss complete Selenium. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
See here, first of all, once complete the manual testing, after that I am able to discuss the automation. Okay,
How
clear?
much time it will take this automation?
1 month. Manual, it will be take 1 month.
Okay.
Clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Done.
Thank you.
Yeah, Sri Lakshmi.
Yeah, same things. I would like to ask how many days it will take for manual testing.
Okay. Actually, it will be take 1 month. After 1 month, I am able to start the core Java and Selenium and the frameworks and the Maven project also I will discuss. Maven project also I will discuss. Yeah, next one. Yeah, Keshwa, Prakash. Keshwa Prakash.
Sir.
Hi.
Which is better, sir, Java or Python to automate it?
Which is better?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Actually, my end, I am able to say Java. Why?
Okay.
Because you guys are check with anyway. If you guys are choose the Python with Selenium,
Yes.
you are able to get 1 or 2 calls. If you guys are provided Java with Selenium, you are able to get daily 8 to 10 calls. That is true. You try to do. You guys are providing resume Java with Selenium. How many? One day you guys are put the that resume you need to put in Naukri. How many calls you are able to get? And next day you need to put in different mail ID, different phone number, Python with Selenium. How many calls you are able to get? Please check. Okay, coming to my end, I am able to say Java with Selenium is the better in future.
Okay.
Yeah, and supporting, if you need a supporting tool, and API and Tosca also. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, Manoj.
Yes, sir.
Hi.
Sir, hi, sir. Sir,
Hi.
is there any language required for the tester, sir? Best
Which
language?
Sorry?
Sir, any program language, sir, required?
Yeah,
for best?
yeah, I will teach you. Complete Java, core Java, I will teach you. Core
Yes,
Java,
sir.
I will teach you, okay?
Okay, sir.
Is it clear?
Yes, sir, I'm clear, sir.
Yeah. Bhargavi? Bhargavi?
Good morning, sir.
Hi.
Hi, sir. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
Sir, when you have lab, sir, when you practice
You are
lab,
offline or online?
online, sir, or offline?
Online
Today
come
not,
offline?
sir, today not time.
Okay, I got it. You are unable to attend today offline session. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We every day you need to practice the lab. Once I start the manual testing, test case authoring. Okay. And within 2 days, I will start the how to write the test cases. I will teach you. Once I start the test cases, you guys are able to write the test cases in your personal PC. Okay.
Timing, sir? What's timings?
Lab timing.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can go anytime. Morning 7 to evening 7.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Anybody, any doubt? Guys, thank you very much, guys. Online guys and offline guys. Okay. Offline guys, do you have any doubt? Please ask me, guys. You people are not asking anything. Anything can you ask me, guys? Huh? Yeah. What is your doubt? I think I'm talking about only testing related. Okay. If you have any doubt, testing related, not only automation, Selenium with Java, any testing, I have a knowledge, I have an experience. So I will guide you. Okay. I will tell you. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? Thank you guys. Thank you very much. I will continue tomorrow. Bye.